Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Ms. Zahra, as a lecturer of debate course and all audience, first of all, let us thank Allah for His blessing and mercy so that we can gather in present this debate video in good condition. In this opportunity, we would like to present our English debate assignment. Before starting the debate, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alina Arafa and I will be the opening speaker as well as the first speaker of the affirmative team.
I am Anna Malkiro as the second speaker of affirmative team.
I am Anazwa Imi Rahman, I am the third speaker as affirmative team.
I am Dinda Wahisri Utami as a first speaker from opposition team.
I am Amanda Surya as second speaker from negative team.
I am Amutar Mulaili as third speaker from negative team.
The motion for today is: this House believes that tourism does more harm than good to local culture. Without further ado, I would like to continue as the first speaker of the affirmative team. Okay, I am the first speaker of the affirmative team. Today, we strongly believe that tourism does more harm than good to local culture. Before giving our arguments, I want to explain the key theme first. Tourism means people traveling to another place for holiday or recreation. Local culture means the tradition, custom, language, art, values, and way of life of local people. Our team believes tourism harms local culture in two main ways. First, tourism commercializes culture. Many traditional dance, ceremonies, and cultural events are changed just to entertain tourists. Because of that, culture is treated like a product, not something meaningful and sacred. Second, tourism causes cultural erosion. Local people, especially young people, may slowly leave their own tradition and copy foreign lifestyle, fashion, or behavior brought by tourists. As time goes by, the original culture becomes weaker. Third, tourism changes local lifestyle and values. People may focus more on money and tourist business than on protecting their tradition. This can change the way local communities live and think. So instead of protecting culture, tourism often damages its originality and true meaning. For this reason, we firmly believe that tourism does more harm than good to local culture. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dinda. I am as a first speaker. We from the opposition team disagree with the motion that tourism does more harm than good to local culture. We believe that tourism helps local culture instead of harming it. It helps people keep their traditional alive and share them with the other. Our first argument that tourism helps keep local culture alive. When tourism are interested in local culture, people are more willing to maintain their traditional. They continue to perform traditional dance, celebrate cultural festival, and the last make traditional craft. For example, many traditional performance and cultural activity still exist today because tourism want to see and learn about them. Therefore, tourism help protect local culture rather than destroy it. This shows that tourism bring more benefit than harm to local culture. So now my second speaker will explain more about them. For the reason we oppose the motion. Thank you very much.
Okay everyone, here I am as the second speaker of the affirmative team. I would like to reinforce our argument and rebut the negative team's point. The negative team may argue that tourism helps preserve culture by generating income. However, preservation from profit often changes the authenticity of cultural practice. When culture becomes a product, its original meaning is lost. In addition, tourism can encourage communities to prioritize tourist preference over their own traditions. Traditional clothing, dance, and ceremonies are often altered to attract visitors. Another issue is language loss. In tourist destinations, local languages are frequently replaced by national or international language to accommodate visitors. Therefore, tourism contributes to the weakening of local cultural identity rather than its preservation. Thank you.
Okay, good morning everyone. I'm a second speaker of negative team. I'll rebut the affirmative team's argument. The affirmative team claims that tourism, commercial, culture. However, earning income from cultural activity does not necessarily destroy their authenticity. In fact, financial support often help communities preserve traditions that might otherwise disappear. They also argue that tourism causes cultural erosion. However, cultural change is a natural process that occurs even without tourism. Communities can accept while still maintaining their cultural identity. Moreover, tourism encourages people to appreciate and learn about different cultures, creating mutual respect and global understanding. Therefore, tourism contributes positively to cultural preservation and development. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, as the third speaker, I will summarize our team case. Through this debate, we have shown that tourists commercializes culture traditional, cause cultural erosion, change local values and lifestyle. The negative team claim tourists promise a culture. However, promotion does not always mean reservation. A culture that is altered for commercial purpose is no longer full authentic. The most important issue is protecting the identity and heritage of local community when culture is transformed merely to satisfy tourist or sociality loses a part of its culture route. So for this reason, we firmly believe that tourists does more room than good to local culture.
Hello everyone, I am as the third speaker of the negative team. I will summarize our argument. We have demonstrated that tourism, the first is provides cultural heritage, the second is provide economic support for cultural activities, and the last encourage cultural exchange and appreciation. The affirmative team focus mainly on potential negative effects, but they fail to prove that this harm outweighs the many benefits tourism brings. When managed responsibly, tourism becomes a powerful tool for protecting and promoting local culture. For this reason, we strongly reject the motion that tourism does more harm than good to local culture. Thank you.
This is the end of our debate presentation. We hope this debate gives useful knowledge and perspective about the topic discussed. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.